Hello, welcome back to the kitchen with me, Debbie. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Today I'm making one of Jade's favorite. It's going to be jerk chicken breast with some white rice and black beans. But I'm making more barbecue. I'm going to do one of my pineapple mango barbecue sauce for the chicken. Now here in this bowl I have 4 nice sized boneless skinless chicken breasts. I've already soaked in lemon juice and water. You can always use lemon juice. You can also use white vinegar with water to clean your chicken. I leave a little bit of fat on there because you know fat is always good for flavoring. In this bowl here now I have 2 tablespoons of my specialty made homemade pineapple jerk marinade. I lost my train of thought for a second there. And to that I'm going to add a few things, like I'm going to add a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. I'm going to add, because it's spicy, my marinade was more on the medium size, but I added a few pieces of fresh chopped Scotch bonnet with some seeds for heat, because she also likes heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Okay. Now I need some dry seasonings for flavor. Pinch of salt. Garlic powder. This is roasted garlic powder. About 2 teaspoons. Black pepper. About 2 teaspoons as well. No. Teaspoon and a half of black pepper. I mean a teaspoon and a half of black pepper. A teaspoon of paprika. This is allspice. Cannot have jerk without allspice. About a half a teaspoon. I hear a lot of people buy jerk marinade and not realize that they have to also season it up with dry seasonings to add additional flavor. The marinade alone can't do it because the marinade is just basically vegetables. Some people may add, like when I make it, I add whole spice in there. But the marinade is basically vegetables, you know. Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, green onions. So you need these dry seasonings for additional flavor, and I feel like I am missing something. I know. I need Are you still having allergy symptoms? I'm gonna grate a pinch of nutmeg in the marinade. Excuse me, people. About a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. I thought I already had grated nutmeg, but apparently not. Lots of porridge being made around here lately, so. Let's mix this up really well. Okay, looks good. Just gonna lather this all over the chicken. I'm gonna wrap this up, guys, and I'm gonna set it in the fridge for about an hour or two. So this is what this seasoned chicken look like. That fresh Scotch bonnet pepper is going up my nose. I will see you guys back when it's time to cook, okay? Okay, guys, welcome back. I'm preheating my oven to 350, and I'm going to put the breast in the oven. I'm coming on this one. Here we go. This is another awesome 30-minute meal because I've already started the rice. So the rice will take 25 to 30 minutes to cook itself. So here we go. And I'm going to pour just a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Not olive oil, I'm sorry, coconut oil. I'm waiting on the oven to go up for 30 minutes. So I'm going to bake them about 30 minutes. And then here is my diced mango in syrup with I have pineapple tidbits. I'm going to use these to make the barbecue sauce. And also on the side, I'm going to heat up these two baked beans, cans of baked beans. So another quick and delicious meal in 30 minutes. So guys, I will see. I'm going to put the chicken in the oven. And when I get ready to get started on the barbecue sauce, I'll see you back. Okay guys, so I am back, and in the oven, the chicken is in the oven. 30 minutes. What was Nikki saying? So right now in this pot, guys, I have about a tablespoon of coconut oil, and I chopped up real fine about a half of a Scotch bonnet pepper. Put a couple seeds in there also for spice. And I'm going to add to that a half a cup of brown sugar. Yes, dear? Tell her 9 because I'm ready to go to sleep. I'm so tired.
She said 9 because she's ready to go to sleep. 9? Yeah. It was at 7 o'clock.
What did she say?
Probably weren't going to show up till 9.
Well, then tell her that's fine too.
She said that's fine.
Okay, guys, I have opened the mango juice. I want to add just the juice before I add any of the clumps of mangoes in there. So let me strain this.
Oh, and answer my text now. Answer my text now. Okay, bye.
So I'm using all the juice from the mango. Which is about a cup. Same thing with the pineapple. I like to make, when I make this sauce, I like to make additional. I still have a little of my pineapple, just my jerk pineapple sauce in the fridge. Use it for different things. Okay, so I have about a cup of also a cup of oh, I also have a pinch of fresh ginger in there. I'm gonna bring that to a boil and I'll see you soon. So guys, my sauce, what I have in there so far is coming to a boil. I also added a pinch of vinegar. I used balsamic vinegar. You can use apple cider. And here I have a half a cup of soy sauce. I'm going to add just a pinch of the pineapple jerk marinade in here. Just a little bit more than a teaspoon. There always seems to be something knocking up and down the damn stairs. Now I'm going to add some water. The bowl that I had the chicken seasoning, I'm going to add a half a cup of water. I mean, that's a whole cup of water. I'm sorry. Its pacifier is in the sofa right there next to him, sweetie. And for thickening to this water, I'm going to add a little cornstarch. I'm going to mix around all the leftover marinade that was in the bowl. Let's pour it in here. I'm going to add a little garlic my roasted garlic powder. I need a pinch of salt. And black pepper. Wow, it's not much mango. It's not much diced mango in this can, is it? Wow. I'm just gonna use all the diced mango. It's probably a half a cup. Wow. And I need a few chunks of pineapple too. I'm doing more mango to pineapple because it's a. Oh, I just have to freeze the rest of the pineapple. Let me grate some of this nutmeg in here. When it comes to a boil, I'll see if I need to add any more cornstarch in here. I don't want it too thick, so I'm trying not to add too much. See what's missing? Ooh. Spicy. Jay gonna like that. Okay, guys, let's bring this to a slow boil. Have a fit and see what the thickness is like. Oh wow! This Jamaican girl does not like her mouth on fire when she's eating. Jade said I'm not a real Jamaican, but she be alright. I grew up with my mother making me eat spicy food. I didn't have a choice, so now that I do. Oh, I had taken some of the mangoes out and put it in a bowl over here, so I can freeze both of those. Make a mango pineapple salsa later on, some other time. Or make a smoothie. Here's my black beans over here. I chopped up some onions, put in there. Added a little black pepper and a little of my roasted garlic. My family, Jade and her dad, loves this meal right here. I usually grill the chicken breast, but for some reason I cannot find the doggone plug to my electrical grill. I'm not happy. I remember a few years ago, this was the dish I had put on Instagram when someone asked me, why don't I write a cookbook, or why don't I start teaching to cook? Because I used to cook that dish a lot because of Jade, but I haven't in a while. You guys are having a good old time over there without me, cool?
Bro, mommy, I was just singing popcorn to this boy and he got so happy.
I'm gonna make some plantain soup. Okay guys, I'm gonna make a little more cornstarch slurry to put in here. It definitely needs it. You missing? Oh, Pooh Bear missing Grandma?
Girl,
Auntie Jade getting
why
on,
our concert over here?
Auntie Jade getting on your nerves?
He loves me. Right? See, oh my gosh. He got so excited. You wanna listen to some reggae?
Okay guys, I will see you back shortly, okay? I don't want to run this thing too long. Before I do that, look, see how the consistency changed of the sauce? That's just what I want right there. That is perfecto. I'm going to change the burner and switch to do the plantains on this one. I will come back before I'm done with the plantains. I'll see you soon. So yes guys, I have started frying my plantains. As you can see, the chicken is ready to come out and get the sauce on it and then put it back in the oven for just a couple more minutes. Yes, my baby boy. What are you saying to Grandma over there? Jade? I'm just wondering if you left us. She left us food on? Okay guys, let me grab the chicken. Oh, I never like it. Now in the chicken there is some juice from the chicken, like you know, happens when you make chicken sometimes. I'm gonna pour it off in a pot that it can cool down in before I get rid of it. If it were just regular baked chicken, I would save it for use for a recipe that calls for chicken broth or something like that. This is not good. Ooh. Hi, Poola. Okay. So, guys, I'm just gonna lather this up with some of that barbecue sauce. Let me let you see this better. Sorry. That's the chicken. Okay. Okay, that's the chicken, guys. It's better. It's better. Yeah. Hi, Poola. Let me get a ladle. And I just had an accident. Jade, come here. It's not funny.
It was.
No, it's not. Hold this for me, please. No. And thank you. I'm gonna pause after. Okay. I'm just gonna ladle some of this sauce on the chicken. Yes, Pooda. You don't like Jade laughing at Grandma? Jade be mean? I shouldn't feed her tonight? You heard all that? Girl, he said I'm not supposed to feed you tonight. Okay, guys, I'm going to put this back in the oven for just a couple minutes and then it'll be done and I will see you back. Okay, guys, the chicken is ready. So let me get that out of the oven. Here we are. And I'm going to fix a plate for Jade. She's been walking around here. Oh, I'll be back in 10 minutes. I'll be back in this minute. But I have a little Pooda bear with me, so I'm not going to eat right now. His mom's on his way to get him. Well, Pooda, you want to go or you want to stay with Grandma again? So, this plate is going to be for Jade. She is a chicken breast hog. And I'm not a big fan. Her and her dad. I like dark meat more than anything. No. That burner is probably still hot. So let me move this. Because if my pan breaks, cracks on that hot burner, I will cry. Like a baby. I am obsessed with my kitchen gears. Okay, guys, so this is Jade's plate. Guys, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. God bless. And even my Pootie over here is telling you guys thank you for. Oh, my island is a mess. He's sitting on the island. Just to Pootie, say hi. Say hi. Thank you for watching my grandma. Say hi. You were just talking to them. Tell them hi. Yes, tell them hi. Say thank you for watching my grandma and supporting my grandma. We appreciate it and we love you guys. See you again soon. Bye. Thank you guys. Bye. Oh my God. Thank you guys. Bye.